Hey, thank you for tuning in to the We Will Transport It Shipping Show. I'm Steven, your contact here. We're located at 2300 West Sample Road in Pompano Beach, Florida, 33073. My direct phone number is 810-535-5520. I'm here at KD's Auto Sales in Pompano Beach, a returning client who ships vehicles and buys them from auctions all over the nation. They just purchased this 1974 Volkswagen Vanagon right here, clean. It was in a rush to get handled. This other company they were originally going with was not able to get the job done and tried to call and upsell them. And KD's Auto Sales said, "No, sir. I'm calling Steven from We Will Transport It. I got the job done like I do, and I will for you." This 74 Vanagon right here is clean. It just came from Scottsdale, Arizona, Barrett-Jackson. KD's Auto Sales bought it. They were about to get charged storage. I got the job done for them. Very important. I will for you also. They were going with this other company who was talking all this goodness, graciousness, and who was just talking facetiousness ultimately. Because when they called and tried to upsell them, KD's Auto Sales said, "No, sir. Steven, where you at?" And I was right here, ASAP, 7 days a week to get the job done. KD's Auto Sales is a repeat returning client now because they know where to get the job done. Guaranteed service. We will transport it.